Online virtual classroom. Today, we are going to start our page number 21. Open up your books, page 21, Grammar in Use. C part. Listen and sing along. You see that there is a poem about friends in this section. I'm going to play an audio for you. Listen to this audio very carefully and enjoy.
Page 21. Grammar in Use. C. Listen and sing along. Friends.
These are small tortoises, they sleep and play. Those are zebras, they run all day. Big animals, small animals, let's play together. We can all be friends. That's a lonely elephant, he eats from a tree. These are big elephants, this is his family. Big animals, small animals, let's play together. We can all be friends.
I hope you have listened to this audio very carefully. Now let us see what we have in our grammar section today. D part. Learn. The things that we are going to learn today are this, that, these, those. When we are going to use these 4 words is very interesting. Let us see the picture that is present on your book. You see, the words like this, that, these, those are mentioned with some pictures over here. Now let me tell you when you are going to use these words. When you are pointing at one thing and that thing is present closer to you, like you can see a zebra present closer to a boy and he's telling you about that zebra, then you are going to use this. This is a zebra. If there are 2 zebras and they are present closer to you and you are telling someone about those zebras, you are going to use these. These are my zebras. If something is present far away from you and you are pointing out that thing from far away and that thing is only 1 in number, you are going to use that. For example, that is a lion which is present far away. If there are 2 or more lines or anything which are present far away and you are pointing out towards that thing, you are going to use those. For example, those are lines. I'm again repeating myself. If there is only one thing and that thing is present closer to you, you are going to use this. For example, this is a zebra. If there are 2 or more than 2 things which are present closer to you and you are telling someone about those things, you are going to use these. For example, these are my zebras. If something is present far away and that thing is only 1 in number and you are pointing out towards that thing, you are going to use that. That is a line. If there are 2 or more than 2 things which are present far away and you are pointing out at those things, you are going to use those. Those are lines. You see there is a practice session right over here? Right, then practice with a partner. There are some blanks which are mentioned right over here. You have to fill these blanks using this, that, these, and those. This is already been filled, like this is a zebra. Let's see which word will come in bird section. Those are birds. And line section, as you're pointing out and that line is present far away and that is only 1 in number, so that will be that is a line. And as the tortoises are present closer and you're just telling someone about those tortoises and they're more than one in number, so you're going to use these. That's all for today.